Hi everyone! So today I'm back doing an unboxing for 2 dainty rings I got from Stone and Strand. So I've been waiting to open this package for about 2 weeks now. So I'm super excited to share with you what I got. So currently I'm already wearing one ring from Stone and Strand. Packaging is really cute. It came within, I think, 3 business days of ordering. It says recycling is cute. It comes like this. It says dainty little things. I love the holographic packaging. It's so cute. For these rings or jewelry items, you have 100 days for returning or exchanging the items. You'll see these boxes the rings are in. This is a Pave V ring. And then this is the sparkle ring. The 2 rings that I got were the Pave Diamond V Band and the Sparkle ring in size 5. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!